Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you change country on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on your down here. When you just click here on your here, so when you click here on your, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, click on it. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on country and duration here, just click on it. You come to next step here, and there can you select your or change country here on this list on your Temu app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.